Shubor nakaslem jong nongsan hima.
District Legal Services Authority, West Janta Hills, hakasngi thok dieng kalapanlong ya kajing pensong thok pat ba, halor kanal sa child-friendly legal service to children under protection scheme arajar khatsan, ha District Library Auditorium mentong joai. Kanal sa child-friendly legal service to children under protection scheme arajar khatsan, kadai ka scheme kabayara bat ajing ada, yaki khanna, habayadai bat ki kaman. Kani ka jingpan ngau thu pat ba kadai ru shibanta ka Pan India Awareness and Outreach kabalong ru shibanta ka jing rakhe ya ka jing dap nyo pusan snem ka jing yo lat lut kari ni azadi ka Amrit Mahatsaf pat ka Legal Services Week bahap hapok kanal sa hakani ka sngi ladon lang u Justice HS Thank you Judge ang ka High Court ka Meghalaya u Executive Chairman Meghalaya State Legal Services Authority u I Kharumnun MHJS Registrar General Ugarat LSN Dyke, Deputy Commissioner, West Janta Hills, Pat Ubi Marak Superintendent of Police, West Janta Hills. Hapakut kajiya lang u Justice Thank you, ula sam kusnam chikinong jam, ha kajiya ko baper balapan long da ka District Legal Services Authority Joai. Yaki kentien ay kublay la pasat da ka kong RM Karsentiu, Chief Judicial Magistrate, Secretary, District Legal Services Authority.
Now, justice system is a very scary thing for children, especially. Now, it's as you can imagine, even adults also are scared to go to police station. For anyone to get caught in the legal system to fight a case or to be accused or to go through the process is a very, very traumatic kind of experience. So. That is why legal services comes in here, the scheme. Legal services to make the system, to make it child friendly. So, and when the child friendly is that, first we look at what rights are the children entitled to. Do they need any legal assistance? If so, how best can these services be best made available and actually reach out to children in crisis or in need? So, coming back to the question again is child friendliness, and how does the concept of child friendly justice play out in informal justice systems? Now we have justice systems which are formal, like you go to the police, like first contact, the report is made, and so on and so forth, and the process and the child support commits offense is put into the system, and the system starts, from A goes B, C, D, maybe land or the child-friendly legal services to children. To outline the basic rights and benefits that should be afforded to children, to ensure legal representation to children in need of care and protection, and children in conflict with law, to strengthen legal services, institutional care, counseling, and support services, to create an environment in the juvenile justice system in which children are valued, encouraged, and affirmed, and have their rights respected, and are treated like human beings and as individuals. To enhance capacities at all levels. Now you've seen that we've been giving certificates of appreciation to the paralegal volunteers. Now, paralegal volunteers are